diamond is an essential part of, I think any girl and every girl should own something in diamond because it's a good thing to own.
What is the fashion for you?
In diamonds or just like that?
No, in diamond because there is a lots of things like watches and
What I liked here was the diamond encrusted phone. I'm going to buy that for Priyanka for sure.
Thank you so much, Rajni.
When I think of diamonds, expensive.
What is that one luxury you can't live without?
The one luxury I can't live on is an English toilet.
So what is your style quotient?
There is no quotient at all. Yeah. Quotient is geometry and stuff, so we
What
don't
do you
know.
think about the exhibition overall?
Very, very nice. Very nice. A lot of good stuff under one roof. And very well put together. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. What comes to your mind when you think of diamonds?
When I think of diamonds, I think of myself. Well, of course, all girls love diamonds, and I don't want to say the cliched lines, but I think it's also my lucky stone. So I have a double reason to buy diamonds because not only is it beautiful and I love it, but it's also my birthstone. So it's lovely.
So what is that one luxury thing which you can't do without?
Well, the only one luxury thing I can't do without, let me think. A handbag, I guess, because I stuff so much in my handbag that I need nice, strong, sturdy, and good quality handbags. So that's one thing I can't do without.
Thank you so much. Ma'am, what comes to your mind when you think of diamonds?
Diamonds. So I just got engaged. So I think it's the best time for me for the shopping and just look around and see all the new and beautiful designs.
Ma'am, what is your style quotient?
Go easy, casual. Wear something that you feel beautiful and you feel comfortable with, and don't try to follow fashion and trends because if you're comfortable with something, it shows and you can carry it even better.
Thank you so much. Thank you. What comes to your mind when you think of diamonds?
Diamonds? Well, obviously, lust, greed. When you see somebody else's diamonds, envy.
What is that one luxury thing which you can't do without?
One luxury thing I can't do without. Not diamonds, it's my car.
And what is your style quotient, ma'am?
I don't have any style. This is it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So what comes to your mind when you think of diamonds?
जोया का पूरा आउटडोर पब्लिसिटी ब्राइट ने किया है और इतना बड़ा एग्जीबिशन, इतना बड़ा अवार्ड्स का मैं एक हिस्सा हूँ। मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि इंडिया के बड़े बड़े इवेंट्स, एग्जीबिशन, अवार्ड्स में मैं जाता हूँ। तो आज का जो ज्वेलरी और लाइफस्टाइल और लग्जरी का जो इवेंट्स है जरा सा हटके है और बहुत बढ़िया है।
Thank you so much, sir.
I think of my wife
Can you call?
forever insisting that she wants the best diamond in the world, and I'm a poor husband, so I'm working hard to get her the finest rock and the finest
Would you
solitaire.
like to buy something from Adamantino?
Huh?
What do you think about Adamantino?
I think it's great. I think Adamantino, they've done a wonderful job, and it's for the first time that I'm exposed to such a wide variety of, jewelry and clothes.
Are you planning to buy something?
And yes, I had no idea that one had to buy here also. I conveniently left my credit card, but I promise I'm going to come back tomorrow.
Thank you so much. सर क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज एडमिटिनो का जो एग्जीबिशन वहाँ पे लगा है वर्ली में, उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
आई थिंक बड़ा मुफीद एग्जीबिशन लगा है, बहुत ही बियॉन्ड माई एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रैंकली, बहुत ही क्लासिली डन, मेरे ख्याल से वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड, एंड आई विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट रियली, इट्स वेरी वेरी नाइस।
हीरो के बारे में बात करें तो औरतों की लाइफ में हीरे बहुत मायने रखते हैं, तो आपकी लाइफ में आपके हमारे हीरो को कितना मायने देते हैं और आप कितना मायने देते हैं?
अब मुझे आप ये सब बातें आप शेर व शायरी में मत ले आना, क्योंकि मैं एक ऐसा शेर पढ़ दूंगा जो आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा, न किसी को समझ में आएगा।
सर फिर भी आपका अंदाज़े बयान अलग होता है सर, आपको कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
अरे यार अभी क्या बताऊं, अरे अच्छा शेर था बहुत। आज बाजार में एक जिन से गिरा लाई। आंसू को कभी ओस का कतरा न समझना, ऐसा तुम्हें चाहत का समंदर न मिलेगा। समझे आप? ओस होती है ना टीयर ड्रॉप, तो टीयर ड्रॉप इज ऑल्सो डायमंड। तो आंसू को कभी एक डायमंड मत समझना, सिर्फ डायमंड, क्योंकि उस डायमंड में एक समंदर समाया हुआ है।
कभी आपकी वाइफ ने कभी ऐसे सॉलिड जो डायमंड यूज है तो जैसे कोई डिमांड की है?
आपको नहीं डिमांड नहीं, अभी मेरी वाइफ ने मेरा डेबिट कार्ड ले लिया। मुझे कार्ड दे दो, अभी मेरा ले जाओ, इसका कोड क्या है, मेरे वाला कोड ये जाओ। तो अभी मेरे पास कुछ नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल खल्लास हूँ। नहीं मेरे लिए तो देखिए जो वो उसकी पसंद है, क्योंकि उसकी आंख है और वो आ रही है वहाँ पर, उससे पूछिए आप। तो मैं तो मेरी भी आंख है, मुझे भी कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें, क्योंकि मैं भी हैदराबाद का रहने वाला हूँ एक ज़माने में। मैं उस ज़माने का हूँ जब मतलब आंख बाज़ार में एक जिन से गिरा लाई है, समझ गया? अब नहीं समझेंगे आप ये, लेकिन मकसद कहने का मकसद ये है कि अच्छी चीज़ को अप्रिशिएट करने का हमें भी ज़ौक़ है, और चाहे वो सोना हो या जेवर हो या कोई अच्छी खुशबू हो, तो अच्छी जो चीज़ होती है वो अच्छी होती है, चाहे कुछ भी हो। अब आप पूरा इंटरव्यू ले रही हैं मेरा यहाँ खड़े खड़े, कमाल करती हो तुम। ये खड़े खड़े मुझे पकड़ लिया तुमने, वो देखो मेरी बीवी वहाँ ढूंढ रही है मुझे। नहीं वेलकम, एंड वाकई बहुत अच्छा है। अब मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई, और मैं मुबारकबाद दूंगा हमारे भाई लोगों को कि उन्होंने इतना, अली भाई मोहम्मद सब ने बहुत मेहनत की है, और यहाँ दिखाई दे रही है मेहनत रियली, और बहुत ही अच्छे ढंग से किया है।
What comes to your mind when you hear the word diamond?
Women.
So, are you planning to buy something for your wife?
I'm having a look at it right now. Something I'll buy for my wife.
What is your style quotient?
Sorry?
What is your style quotient?
When you ask for style question, you have to give me a little more description on that.
See, what is that one luxury thing which you can't do without?
Me or my wife?
Or your wife, both?
Watches.
Thank you so much, sir.
So, ma'am, according to you, what is diamond?
डायमंड वो है जो हर लेडी को पसंद है, और डायमंड है, मीन्स लाइक उसकी कोई सीमा नहीं है। डायमंड की कोई व्याख्या नहीं है, मतलब एक बार डायमंड मिल जाए बस लाइफ बन जाती है।
And ma'am, as I can see, you are both beautifully dressed up. So, what is fashion according to you?
फैशन जिसमें एक लेडी, एक महिला बहुत सुंदर दिखती है। फैशन इज़ आप अपने आप को कैसे ड्रेसअप करते हो, क्या पहनते हो, कैसा मेकअप करते हो। फैशन इज़ टू कैरी योर सेल्फ। औरत अपने आप को कैसे ब्यूटीफुली कैरी कर सकती है, मेरे हिसाब से फैशन वो है। थैंक यू।
How do you feel about your association with this brand?
I'm very excited because a friend of mine, Alokik, is attached to this brand, and another friend of mine, Ritik, is a brand ambassador. So I'm really, really excited and looking forward to it. And I'm hoping it spreads all over the world. I'm really excited because it has a very unique concept. And it's not any other brand that has started something like that. So I'm really excited and I wish them all the best. I think diamond is every woman's best friend.
I don't have much to say. I think Admentino itself represents a lot of class and style, and I hope they have a lot of success in Joya. It's the first time we're doing it, but yeah, it's a great brand, and it's good to see them here. Thank you.
Ma'am, what comes to your mind when you think of diamonds?
What comes to my mind? A diamond heist. I wish I could run away with all the diamonds. But having said so, it's a pleasure. We've launched Joya today. It's a Cineyug enterprise and we are so proud. And it's a fantastic job by the team and everyone in Cineyug. Yasmin, Priyanka, Muhammad, they've put their heart and soul into all of this, and I wish them and us and everyone at Cineyug all the very best. And thank you everybody for turning out in such huge numbers. And also I would like to say that I'm wearing my own creation. This is a Lucky Amani. It's designed and styled by me and my partner Amani. This is Amani, my partner, and we are both wearing Lucky Amani. And yes, so we are here, and inshallah next year we will use Joya's platform to launch us in a very, very big way with the show and everything. And I wish all the exhibitors here the very, very best. And we're wearing jewelry by Jyoti Kapoor, New York. So my neck piece and earrings are by Jyoti. And I wish her all the very, very best.
So, ma'am, according to you, what is diamond?
डायमंड वो है जो हर लेडी को पसंद है और डायमंड है मीन्स लाइक उसकी कोई सीमा नहीं है डायमंड की कोई व्याख्या नहीं है मतलब एक बार डायमंड मिल जाए बस लाइफ बन जाती है
And ma'am, as I can see, you are both beautifully dressed up. So, what is fashion according to you?
फैशन जिसमें एक लेडी एक महिला बहुत सुंदर दिखती है फैशन इज़ आप अपने आप को कैसे ड्रेसअप करते हो क्या पहनते हो कैसा मेकअप करते हो फैशन इज़ टू कैरी योर सेल्फ औरत अपने आप को कैसे ब्यूटीफुली कैरी कर सकती है मेरे हिसाब से फैशन वो है थैंक यू
So, tell me something you're associated with Adamantino. आपको इस ब्रांड के बारे में क्या लगता है?
It's very future. It's very nice. Its ideas are very new in India. I think they will get success, definitely.
And sir, any comments about the diamonds?
I've not seen it, so I can't comment anything.
Okay.
I am myself a diamond merchant. But whatever they are taking a step is very good. Yeah, keep it up. Who the person owns?
I think it's the height of luxury. I mean, what next other than having diamonds? Diamonds on your bag or on your watch would be a great idea. I hope they do well. Thank you.
Ma'am, there's one more question. What's your style question?
Pardon?
Your style. What is style according to you? Style.
Their style is
yeah.
very elegant. Yes, I think it would be interesting to have. Thank you.
Ma'am, what is diamond according to you?
Sorry?
What is diamond according to you? Diamond?
For a woman, everything. It's everything.
Okay.
Of course.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
So, sir, how do you feel about your association with Adamantino?
It's great and it's so nice. It is first time for me, but it is very grateful.
And sir, according to you, what is your style statement regarding diamonds?
For me, everything.
For
everything. Whatever is going to the diamonds, I like it. Watches, whatever is coming, it's perfect for me. Welcome.
Hi. Oh yes. This is we got one.
How do you feel about your association with Admantino?
Admantino has been fantastic. The kind of work they are doing, we love it. I represent a brand called Monte Grappa. We have displayed a $1 million pen here, and I am sure Admantino can replicate something like that. We give them limited edition pen. They do diamondization as they call it, and this will look fantastic. This is good for the Indian market, good for the customers, good for us, good for Admantino.
And sir, according to you, diamonds, what is your style statement regarding diamonds?
Diamond has its own value. I mean, this is the best friend of women, and now it's becoming the best friend of men also. So diamond has a huge style statement. Thank you.
Diamond. What is diamond for you?
For me, diamonds are valuable as long as they come from the right source. They are true diamonds, not the black diamonds.
And what is the diamond fashion for you? Like which kind of diamond fashion you love?
Whatever suits you. What else? You may buy the biggest of rocks, but if it doesn't suit you, it's not set well, then it doesn't suit you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Most welcome.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.